Hello, my dear students. Hope you all are doing well at home and definitely you are fine at home. So, today we are going to start our part of social and political life, that is a part of SST. So, we are going to start our second term syllabus, and out of that, we are going to start our chapter number 6. Right. So, what is the name of the chapter? Understanding media. So before going into the chapter, you should know that what is media basically. Okay, tell me one thing कि how do you get to know कि coronavirus is spreading in China? Have you gone to China? क्या आप चाइना गए थे या आपके कोई रिलेटिव चाइना गए थे, उन्होंने आपको बताया that coronavirus is spreading like in China first and then the Italy first? Huh? Who has given you this news? From? Right, from the TV channel or maybe from the newspaper or from internet, from your mobile phones, from the Facebook. So these all are the sources by which we can get each and every kind of information, right? So first of all, you should know basic idea about media, that what is media exactly. So let's see that what is media, and you should know that what is understanding media. Yes, nowadays media plays important role in our lives, right, as see.
Understanding Media. Introduction. Media collectively refers to the radio, TV, newspapers, internet, and several other forms of communication.
Right. So, what is media? Media collectively refers to the radio, TV, newspaper, internet, and several other forms of communication. What is communication? You know well, you are doing it from your class 1 or 2, communication, transport, all these things. So, communication is a way by which we can give our views and can get anyone else views. Okay. So,
Everything from a phone call to the evening news on TV can be called media.
either if any of your relative is talking to you on your phones, if you're using your internet, and any news on the TV, all these comes under media. Yes, so this is called media.
Since this reaches millions of people or the masses across the country and the world, they are called mass media.
But if we have to spread a single message to whole of the country in seconds, so what is mass? Mass is a like huge surroundings of people and the group of people. So that is called the mass media, by which huge population get a single message into seconds. It's maybe through the TV channels, it's maybe through your internet, it's maybe through your mobile. So that is called the mass media. If we can get a single information and we can send a single information to huge population and so many people all together, that is called the mass media. Fine.
Of these, cable television and the internet have been in use for less than 20 years. Newspapers and magazines are referred as the print media, and TV and radio as the electronic.
So you should know the difference between the print media and the electronic media. What comes under the electronic media? Your TVs, your radios, and the electronic media, which runs with the help of the transmission of that waves, radio waves, right? And newspaper and magazines, which are in the printing form, that comes under the print media. Okay.
Media. To publish means to print news reports, articles, interviews, stories, etc. in newspapers, magazines, and books for a wide audience to read. Any TV or radio program that is widely transmitted is called a broadcast. Media and technology.
So you understood till here that what is media basically and what is the difference between print media and the technical media. So just see what is media and technology and what is the relation between the media and technology.
Newspapers, TV, and radio can reach millions of people because they use certain technologies. Changing or better and modern technology or machines helps media to reach more people.
As if I'll give you a very fine example. Earlier, we people were going to school, we were just doing our study, we were coming back. But nowadays, which technology we are using nowadays just to study? Yes, it is online teaching we are using. Teachers are teaching you through online. Have you ever seen this online? There's so many apps were there, right? But we were not using at all because we had a facility that is called school. है ना? We were going to school, we were going for study basically to the school. But nowadays, what is happening? Your teachers are coming towards you on your phone screen, on your laptop screen. So this is what technology made it possible. ओके सिर्फ टेक्नोलॉजी ने ही इसको पॉसिबल किया है ना वी आर यूजिंग अ स्कूल ऐप वी आर यूजिंग जूम फॉर द मीटिंग ऑल दीज कम्स अंडर द टेक्नोलॉजी सो मीडिया ऑल्सो यूज huge technology because just to spread a single message to all over the country it is not possible without technology. So this is what called the relation of technology with the media or with the media with the technology. So it is very important part media and technology because without technology nothing is possible nowadays, right?
It also improves the quality of sound and the images seen on TV.
Right, if we have seen in the lockdown the old one Mahabharata was started है ना on our TVs, old Mahabharata, old Ramayana. Have you ever noticed the quality है ना? Nowadays तो we are using HD technology, HD quality of clicking pictures as well है ना? Why people prefer Apple phones and why people prefer like good phones which are good in cameras? Because of the camera quality, because into that phone the technology is very good rather than if I'll talk about any old phone है ना? So this is what called the technology. You can see the pictures, old pictures, and you can see the difference between the quality and the picturization of the old pictures and the new pictures, old serials and the new serials. So this is what called the improvement in technology.
Technology also makes life difficult without television. Television has brought the world closer to us, as images travel huge distances to reach people through satellites and cables. Thus, we are able to view news and entertainment channels from different parts of the world.
Right now like while sitting at home we can get each and every kind of related news ki what is the condition in another country of like this COVID-19 and how many people are dying daily on the daily basis and how many are getting another diseases, and also regarding the entertainment sources that which new movie is coming, which new serial is coming. So all this information while sitting at home we can get just with the help of technology. That is called the
There are strong links between media and technology, and media and big business. Setting the agenda. The media.
So this is what media and technology that you understood well. So next was is the media that is also called the big हाउस ऑफ बिजनेस. यस, हैव यू एवर सीन द न्यूज़? आज तक वाले बोलते हैं कि सबसे पहले आपको दिखा रहा है ये कवरिंग न्यूज़ आज तक, और है ना दूसरे न्यूज़ चैनल वाले बोलते हैं कि सबसे पहले एबीपी न्यूज़ चैनल आपको ये न्यूज़ कवर करके दिखा रहा है. वाई? बिकॉज दे जस्ट वॉन्ट टू मेक इट फर्स्ट. दैट इज़ हाउ दे कैन गेट like from the different advertisements and from the different houses. So this is what called the business. Business is also another thing which media comes under. So next we are going to discuss here about setting agendas. That is on your page number 76. So what are the setting agendas? Just see.
Influences our perception of which issues are worth devoting time and attention to, and which issues are to be neglected or overridden. Big business.
So these are the basic work of media. कि मीडिया को कौन सी जो न्यूज़ है विच दे हैव टू कवर एंड विच दे हैव टू इग्नोर. डेफिनेटली all the reporters will collect different kind of news from the different areas. So this is the work of media, that which has to be highlighted and which has to be kept at the back, or the common news. So this is what called the this is what called the work of the media. And the setting agenda, suppose if I'll give you example, suppose in your school, if I'll give you example of like 2 years back, there was annual function in our school, right? So Mr. Satish Kaushik, he came as a guest, right? So that was the biggest coverage by media, and so many people from media came in BR Global School कि अच्छा सतीश कौशिक जी BR Global School में आ रहे हैं. तो they just put that on the very first page. On every newspaper on the first page it was the news कि Mr. Satish Kaushik, he was as a chief guest, right, in the annual function. So this is the what called agenda. It is the work of media and their agency of that media and that work of that particular group to settle the agendas कि किस जो न्यूज़ को है उनको पहले कवर करना है, which they have to keep at the back and which they have to keep ignore. Suppose nowadays everyone is covering that COVID-19, and then the Sushant Singh case was there, and then the drug case was there, and that so many hero and heroines, they are taking drugs. So this is what they were keeping highlighted on the screen, every newspaper, every news channel. So this is their work only, that which news they have to keep at the front and which they have to keep at the back. So now beta, we have already discussed about understanding media, right? And we have already discussed about media and technology. So setting agenda also we have done. Now our two of the topics are left. These are media and money, and another one is media and democracy. So what do you think, what is media and money? There are huge like teams in the media, right? The cameramans, the lightmans, there are so many lights used there, and sound recorders, and ample of reporters who used to collect to another corners of the countries as well, sometimes to just collect just for the sake of collecting different, and just to spread and to tell the exact news, right? And that only can be shown on the TV screen, which we people are showing, because they have to show the exact news. They cannot show any fake news. If they will be showing fake news, what will happen? Further, people are not going to recommend that channel, and they will go for another channel. So what is media and money? From where they people get all this their salaries to distribute? Definitely, you know how much they are salaries they are getting, like crores, 50,000, 60,000, 2 lakh some, है ना? So from where the people get these salaries, and from where that media get that money to distribute among those teams? So just see carefully what is media and money here.
Media and money. Broadcasting of news is a very expensive affair. A TV studio, along with lights, cameras, sound recorders, etc., costs a lot of money. The technologies that mass media uses keep changing, and a lot of money is spent on getting the latest technology. As a result, most newspapers and television channels are part of big business houses. On the other side, it earns money by advertising different things. You must.
So this is the main thing by which they are getting money. Different advertisements. Yes, you might have seen if you're watching any news or any serial. If I'll take example, है ना? So there are so many news comes. So many advertisements comes, right? Like Lux soap की आ रही है, कभी baby shampoo की आ रही है, and some of are attached. They people use emotional attachment of the people as well. Like कि अगर किसी बेबी के शैम्पू की उनको देनी है, तो दे विल डेफिनेटली गोइंग टू शो अ स्वीट बेबी विद मॉम, है ना? तो वो मम्मा उसको लव कर रही होती है, उसकी केयर कर रही होती है, उसको जेंटली उसको नहला रही होती है ना? सो समटाइम्स what happens, the mothers who cannot afford that, they think कि like हम अपने बच्चों से प्यार नहीं करते हैं ना, कि अगर हम उनको ये वाला like जॉनसन बेबी और हिमालया और पिजन ये वाले प्रोडक्ट से अपने बेबी को like नहलाएंगे नहीं, उनकी केयर नहीं करेंगे, that means we are not good mothers. But that is not that just media or these people who are making these advertisements, they are just taking undue advantage of people emotions somewhere. Okay, so this is the main source, advertisement. Yes, that advertisement when it get involved into that news channel. अब वो advertisements कहाँ पे involve होती हैं, जहाँ पे people used to see in huge demand, that suppose if I'll take example of Aaj Tak, ABP news channel, है ना. So if they people are going to settle their advertisements there, तो definitely दैट इज़ अ ऑन डिमांड चैनल. आज तक और एबीपी सबसे ज़्यादा न्यूज़ चैनल को देखते हैं ना लोग, सो पीपल विल डेफिनेटली सी दैट न्यूज़ in that advertisement in between as well. So this is what the main source, the advertisement. Then that people of advertisements, they will give money to showing that ad to the media, to that team. So definitely from there they get their salary. So just see little more.
Have noticed the number of advertisements that you have to see while watching any television programs. Right to Information Act 2005.
So here it is Right to Information Act. So this will come in the media and democracy. Right, the media and democracy क्या होता है? See, if media is, as I have already told you and discussed with you, कि media has to show a very fair and right news, right? अगर वो क्या करेंगे, फेक न्यूज़ दिखाएंगे, तो what will happen, that channel will hardly run for 1 month or for 2 months, so people will not further going to prefer or recommend that channel. So this is media and democracy. With the help of media only, people can get any kind of clear news, and if still they are having any issue, any problem, they can go to media and can spread anything, है ना, with the rallies, है ना. फिर वो जो मीडिया को है वो rallies coverage करनी होती है, and people somewhere they used to give dharnas, है ना. And if they are having any kind of doubt कि if either it is a government work or a private work, any sector, if they are having any kind of doubt कि here they are feeling doubt कि ये वाली जो पॉलिसी है या यहाँ पे डॉक्यूमेंट्स का वर्क सही नहीं चल रहा है, तो दे कैन गेट देयर RTI. RTI means Right to Information Act, that every citizen of India is having that RTI, Right to Information. Yes, they have that right कि अपना एक फॉर्म होता है, they will fill that form and they will ask कि from this particular field we want to get this particular like information, and that field जिसको भी उन्होंने वो लेटर या कुछ भी भेजा है कि वी वांट इन्फॉर्मेशन रिगार्डिंग दिस फील्ड, तो दे हैव टू रिप्लाई. तो उन लोगों को उनका रिप्लाई करना होता है विद इन 30 days. ठीक है, सो जस्ट सी व्हाट इज RTI.
Right to Information Act 2005 has been enacted by the Government of India to provide right to information for citizens. It implies that people have the right to know everything that affects their lives. This act was passed to secure access to information under the control of public authorities. This promotes transparency and accountability in public domain. It includes the right to inspect the work, documents, records, taking notes, extracts, or certified copies of documents. But this act also exempts certain categories of information from disclosures. Any public authority would designate Central Assistant Public Information Officer CAPIO at various levels, who will reply either by providing the information or rejecting the request within a period of 30 days from the date of receipt of the request.
Fine. So this was what कि they people to whomsoever any citizen, anybody has sent that form of RTI कि we want this information, so the one who got that particular form and the either it may be any private sector, maybe any government sector, anywhere, so they have to reply that particular question or particular information within 30 days. So first it started in 1997 in Tamil Nadu. Okay, so Tamil Nadu became the first state to start midday meal as well. And second thing, Tamil Nadu became the first state in India to have passed a law on right to information act. So this what comes under media and democracy as well. So some of the ways in which they can do by writing letters to concerned ministers, है ना. अब कई cases में क्या है, they can write if we want to get any kind of information, we can write a letter to concerned minister. If we want to get anything, any information related to education, so we will write that letter to education minister. If we want to get to related to sports, so we will write that letter to like in the basic things to the particular ministers, and regarding any health issues to health ministers. So or by public protest. What is public protest? When a huge public and the like so many people go together and by showing rallies or by showing dharnas, so that comes under the public protest. They can get their reply from that particular manner as well. So this was what about the media and democracy. That means media has an important role in democracy. Media has to give exact information related to any kind of news. Fine. So sorry, here on your page number 74 it is है कि writing a balanced report however depends on the media being independent, and independent media means that no one should control and influence its coverage of news. अब balanced report क्या होती है कि उसमें ना ही तो कुछ ज़्यादा कुछ लिखा होना उस रिपोर्ट के बारे में जो उनको इन्फॉर्मेशन मिलती है, ना ही कुछ कम लिखा होना. दैट मीन्स एग्जैक्ट whatsoever they see, whatsoever they cover, exactly they have to show them. So this is what called the news story, and that news story should be in a balanced manner. This is what calls a balanced report. Okay, however reality is that the media is far from independent. This is mainly because of two reasons. The first is control that the government has on the media. अब मीडिया में सिर्फ मीडिया अपने कवरेज पे कुछ पार्ट दिखा सकती है, बट समथिंग समवेयर इज ऑल्सो डिपेंडेंट अपॉन द गवर्नमेंट. एज यू माइट हैव हर्ड अबाउट द सेंसरशिप. सेंसरशिप क्या होती है? इफ सपोज एनी प्रोड्यूसर, एनी डायरेक्टर, दे हैव मेड एनी लाइक picture, है ना, any film, and even if any song, firstly that will go to the censor board. So censor board has the authority to cancel that or to give that grades, है ना. A grade, B grade, C grade, D होती है ना. मूवीज भी होती हैं, सॉन्ग्स भी होते हैं. A grade मूवीज हैं, B grade मूवीज हैं, C grade मूवीज हैं, D grade मूवीज हैं. तो that all depends upon the censor board. So this is what called the censorship, where that government can allow that movie to run and also can ruin that or can measure into the grades. So the worst of these was emergency between 1975 to 1977. So just go through these small articles are there na, ki what does TV do to us and what can we do with TV. So you have to reply me in our online class that what does TV do to us and what can we do to TV. So this is your homework. And on 74 page, crackdown on polluting factories, protesters block roads and disrupt traffic. So this is also your homework. Then closure of factory cause unrest. It is very simple stories, just go through it, just tell me what was written into that. And with this setting agendas we have already done, right? In our first video we have done this setting agendas. Then the local media. Local media क्या होती है? जैसे हमारे शाम को न्यूज़पेपर आता है ना, इवनिंग टाइम न्यूज़पेपर आते हैं कि सिरसा जागरण ऐसा कुछ रिलेटेड आता है ना, पल पल है ना, सिरसा ऐसा. So this is what called the local media, where the small issues related to the locality of our cities, of our colonies, that come into the prone. So that is what called the local media. Okay, so with this our chapter is finished. Hope you understood well. It is very easy, very simple. So just do that, read that, whatever I had given you, that homework that was on page number 74 and on page number 75. So try to find out your question answers by your own first. So definitely I am going to send you the answers PDF as well. So with that, take care, bye bye, stay safe, stay healthy. We'll meet you in online class.